you want to improve your health? Are you interested in reducing or removing physical limitations? Do you want to feel better, have more energy, and reduce the limitations of aging on your body? Of course you do. You want to pay particular attention to what we are about to share with you. Hello, I'm Karen Kowalix, and we are so excited to share with you a breakthrough system that combines a 100-plus-year-old healthcare solution combined with a computer-guided advanced analysis and treatment method. The technology is called the ProAdjuster, and the healthcare solution is Chiropractic. ProAdjuster Chiropractic Care is an unmatched healthcare system because we've taken the quality, hands-on approach to healing and added the reliable sophistication of computerization. We have created this information system to accomplish two major purposes. One, to help you improve your health and well-being. Two, to help you better understand how a ProAdjuster chiropractor can help you. ProAdjuster Chiropractic Care is safe, effective, accurate, reliable, available at thousands of locations, FDA cleared, taught at chiropractic colleges.